Hello amazing people, welcome back to another interesting tutorial. Thank you for being here. If you are new, you are welcome. If you are my returning subscriber, I say a big thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to cut a perfect asymmetric neckline, which is very simple and easy to make and is beginners friendly. So let's go right into the video. So I'm taking 3.5 inches for the wideness of the neckline. That's the neck width, 3.5 inches. And I'm coming down by 6 inches. 3.5 inches for the neck width, and the neck depth is 6 inches. So on this neck depth, I'm going to mark whatever I mark on the shoulder, 3.5 inches. I'm going to mark the same 3.5 inches here and then draw a line. So next I'll be opening it up. So this is our center line. So I'm going to come to this side and also mark whatever I mark here, 3.5 inches. I'm marking 3.5 inches here, and then I will extend this line also 3.5 inches. Then I connect all whatever I did here. I'm doing the same thing on this side. So now to create your asymmetric neckline, you know I took 3.5 inches for the neck width and then 6 inches for the neck depth. So for your asymmetric neckline, you take from this end and rule a line straight down here. You decide where you want your asymmetric neckline to be, or on the right, or you want it on the left. So in this case, I'll connect it like so. Okay, this is our asymmetric neckline. Also, you can choose to curve it a bit, depending on how you want it. You can make it straight, you can also make it curved. So these are the two ways of you can make it straight, you can curve it a bit. So now we cut it out. You see I'm cutting it. So I'm cutting it on the second line. You see, this is our asymmetric neckline. This is how our asymmetric neckline look like. So we have come to the end of this video. If you find it useful and helpful, please don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up, share my videos, comments, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.